Welcome back to my channel. So today I am actually going for like a Valentine's look, but a softer look as well. If you are interested in my look, keep on watching. I'm gonna prep my lips with this new product that just came out in the beauty industry. It's called Lips, and it's supposed to like plump them up for 8 hours. Obviously it's cheaper than lip fillers. Lip fillers go like from $500 to $600. I believe this item is for $99. It's just like more of a natural way of plumping your lips. Ta-da! So for newbies, it does say that it might have like the little ring on the side. And what do you guys think? I like it so far. I see the difference in my bottom lip. So, and as you keep doing it and doing it, your lips adjust to it, and it's supposed to like get better. Yeah, don't you guys like see it in my bottom lip? So yeah, so we're done with the prepping. I will link their information in the description link below as well. And on to the makeup portion. So I already prepped my skin with the L'Oreal Miracle Blur cream, which actually also works as a primer. So I did that off camera, and I've been using this on days where I don't even actually wear makeup. It really does blur your skin, and it just like all your pores disappear, and I love that. Today I'm actually testing out a new foundation. I was so excited to get it in the mail yesterday because it's a beauty line that it's supposed to finish like what your skincare starts. So it's like all about like healthy looking skin, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, organic beauty products, which I'm all for. And just so you know, that's gonna be like a huge trend this year, like organic, cruelty-free, and vegan. Like vegan is like a huge thing going on right now in the beauty industry. Luminizing CC cream can actually evens out your tone, improves your texture, and reduces discoloration. And the foundation, it's oh man, too bad I got the wrong color, but it restores elasticity and it helps with aging. That is awesome. So I might have to just go back and buy my sand color because I got 2 tawny instead of 1 tawny and 1 sand. I'm gonna do a little trick. Since I have the wrong colors, I am going to mix the lightest color, natural beige, and tawny. I'm hoping that it will give me my right tone. This is where being into makeup becomes a little bit of art, because you're just mixing colors, creating your perfect shade. Let's add it on. See? Perfect. And I just really wanted to test out that foundation. And I'm all for the fact that it has like anti-aging benefits. Like, let me see, let me read it all over again. Where'd you go? So it restores elasticity. Like, some of us really need that. And it diminishes signs of aging. Well, I don't think I have like aging signs just yet, but I definitely believe in starting at any age to work on aging signs. Right now it's been like super cold over here in California. It's been raining. Very drying, so this is definitely more hydrating and perfect for this time of the year. What I like about these concealers is that it's supposed to reduce puffiness, and to be honest, last night I did not sleep that well, so in case I look a little tore up Please depuff me. So I am right now, like in 30 minutes, I have to be ready. I am going out to it's like so it's called the Amanda Foundation, and they take care of dogs. Like it's funny, like when I tell people about it, like they're like, oh, I've heard about it, but it's not a shelter, like but they do rescue dogs. So the rescue dogs they have, but it's like a no-kill shelter slash like adoption place. And I love it. Like they have like really cute events, and I am going today for like a Valentine's Day edition, and after that I am going with my boo, and we're going to celebrate Valentine's early just because we don't want to deal with like, have you guys gone to a restaurant on Valentine's Day? You get like horrible service, not to like talk trash about like waiters or whatnot, but it's just so busy. You can't really take care of everyone, you know? So we just want to avoid the lines, the wait, just the hectic part of it, you know? So we're going to go out today. I'm not sure where. The event is actually in West Hollywood, so we'll just stay somewhere over there. They have so many really cute spots. And then I'm actually also going out with my girlfriends on Valentine's Day. It's gonna be like a Galentine's Day thing. And yeah, just celebrate the girls, because I don't know about like the US, but like for let's say like Latin culture, Valentine's Day it's also about like friendships and love, obviously. So it's really cute that like we're gonna be doing, and I'm hoping that we could like do like a little tradition with the girls, you know? So far I really like it. Okay. I do feel like it helped cover up my under eye, my dark circles. Sorry guys, I have like really dry lips right now. I put a lot of moisturizer this morning because I just felt like my skin was so dry, and this is like, my skin is sucking this in, like it's very hydrating. So how do you guys like it? I will put all of their information in the description box below. You guys go check it out. Next, I'm gonna use the Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder. Ooh, it's going all over the place, but this is the banana shade. But I purchased this not too long ago, actually. I haven't used it that much, but I fell in love with it instantly. It really does blur like your little lines, and I usually get lines when I haven't slept that well. Like my skin is a little puffy. And the good thing about the Kerstin Beauty concealer is that it's supposed to depuff my under eyes, but also when I use the Colourpop banana powder under my eyes, like it helps so much, guys. So right now I'm gonna put it in my little trouble oily areas, although I don't want to mattify too much today. I literally just want to have like healthy skin. I'm gonna use the NYX Cosmetics bronzer, and this is the shade Dark Tan. What I love about this color, it comes off as, like you can literally use it as blush. but I like having like definition. So I don't just use it as blush, but I also put it like below my jawline, and it just like creates the illusion that I haven't gained like 10 pounds. I just love this color, to be honest. I am going to be using the e.l.f. blush palette, and what I like about it is that it has so many different colors, as you can see. And you can mix them up. Yes, you see that? Just remember which colors you're mixing. Ugh, it's very pigmented. Oh yeah. Yes. Now that I set my under eyes, just go all over it. Again. Yes. I'm gonna set my skin with the Kokie setting spray. I like to set my face before I actually start adding on my glow. And today I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Fuego highlight, and this is one of my favorite highlights in the whole wide world. And just layer it where I want to glow the most, the mostest. And guys, I will layer and layer and layer. But a huge trick is actually setting your face before you do the highlight, and it marries to your skin so much better. A little bit here. And lastly, we're gonna do our lips, and I'm gonna use the Colourpop Frida lip liner, and it's really cute. So this is new actually for me. I've never used this color before. Oh. Yes. So I could definitely see the difference in my bottom lip when it comes to the Juva lips, and I love it. And I'm going to use the Aftermath Dose of Colors lipstick. I love this color. So not gonna lie, the lip liner and the lipstick don't match at all. I completely forgot, like, I was thinking this one was more of like a pinky color, but I'm not mad. Champagne Miami, and it's a lip gloss. Let's see. Oh, yes. This is like the cherry topping on your ice cream. And it smells good. It smells like strawberries. Oh yeah. I definitely need some lip gloss right now because it is dry weather. And this is the finished look. I love it. Guys, this is the first video where I don't do any eyeshadow. I am actually so obsessed with it. I love how natural it is. Like, I feel like my skin looks very healthy. It might be like my newest like no makeup look. Like, I'm obsessed. And I really hope you guys have a beautiful Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.